I hope this video will help you navigate through the vocabulary you'll be needing to complete the upcoming assignment for week 6. As you can see, I've opened my Signing Naturally website up to Unit 2.1, and I'm going to go down here to the very last video with the lower right-hand corner. It says Vocabulary Review. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to skip ahead to a stopping point at 1.6 seconds right here if you look at the bottom of the screen. All right, and that's where we're going to start for the very few signs you'll need for this assignment to begin with. Here we go. These are places of learning. This is high school, HS, the letters HS. The next sign is for college. This sign is for Gallaudet University. It's college, but with a U. This sign is for class, as in classroom, group of students. And you know this one, that place over there. And finally, here in this location. All right, we're going to stop here, and we're now going to close this out and jump ahead to Unit 2.4. So I click here, go down to 2.4, and once again, we're going to skip ahead to the very last video in the sequence, which is Vocabulary Review. And these signs correspond with your book starting on page 95 at the bottom. And I'm going to run through these with you. Here we go. This is the sign for signing, as in to sign, to produce sign language. Talk, speak. Now we're going to get into how much one remembers of a language, from 100% to 0%. In other words, say you learned a language in high school, and how much do you still remember? So we're going to start with 100%. Still speak. In other words, I learned it in high school and I still speak it. Next, remember most. Remember some. Remember a tiny bit, very little. Forget all, A-L-L, all. And now degree of difficulty, ranging from very difficult to very easy. Very difficult. And notice the expression on her face indicates just how difficult it is to correspond with the sign. Sort of difficult. Again, look at her face. Sort of easy. And finally, very easy. Here are a few other signs you're going to need. To grow up, to be raised with, all my life. This is the sign for year. Imagine her left hand, her left fist is the sun, and her right fist is the earth going around the sun. Let's look at that a little bit one more time. To grow up, and year. This X sign means both, two things together. And finally, now, presently. Okay, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you know how to find me. Take care.